Hello students, again this is module 3 second part, switching system. In the earlier video we covered up to link system. In this video it is grade of service of link system. So let's know what is grade of service. It is a probability of call in a circuit group being blocked or delayed for more than a specified interval. So ultimately you are going to find the loss of probability of that network, whether the circuit is busy, so whether any free outgoing route is there. So you need to find the loss of the network, that is grade of service. To find the grade of service for link system, you need to remember mode 1, mode 2, mode 3 for the link system. Mode 1 is an expander where you can use only one particular free outgoing trunk, and in mode 2 you can use any free particular outgoing route. It is a route switch. And in mode 3 you don't have any restriction because it is a concentrator. You can use any free outgoing trunk. So next we shall just try to move on to the grade of service of link system. To derive grade of service, so you need to remember these assumptions. To find the loss of the network, so as already known, the calls are independent random events, so that your trunks and links are being busy is also random events, independent random events. Suppose if you have two links which are connected in tandem, so let us assume that two links are A and B. The probability of one being busy is considered as A. If one is busy means the other being busy is B. Then the probability of each trunk being free, it is 1 minus A and 1 minus B respectively. And if these two becomes free means you need to multiply that. It is a product of the free network, 1 minus A into 1 minus B. And how to find the blocking probability means you need to subtract the free probabilities, that is 1 minus A, 1 minus B. Now using those assumptions, let us try to find the grade of service for two-stage network. So here we'll connect or consider the fully connected network where you have n incoming lines equal to n outgoing lines and even inlets and outlets are equal. We'll consider occupancy of the network. Because we have two stage, we'll consider occupancy A and occupancy B. Because the network consists of equal number of inputs and outputs, for that purpose both occupancies are equal. Let us try to find for mode 1. You can use only particular outgoing trunk here. The probability of the first stage is nothing but 0.01. That is probability of busy, occupancy busy means A is busy means the grade of service will be 0.01. If the incoming is grade of service is 0.01, then the outgoing also carries same traffic, because incoming lines are equal to outgoing lines here. That is grade of service for mode 1, it is B1. B is representation of grade of service and 1 represent you are writing for mode 1. Then try to go for mode 2. You can use any free link. So here how to find for mode 2 means the probability of loss being used for a particular link. How to find this one means it is 1 minus probability of both free. So how to find both free means it is 1 minus A into 1 minus B. It is the blocking probability. And if two stages are connected, the link between those two stages is represented as G. G is the path available. If the calls are random independent means even the path is also random and independent. Assuming that, so we'll try to write the grade of service for mode 2. So it is the same thing, the blocking probability to the power of link. What is the link given here? It is G. Multiply this, you are going to get this one. If you go on solving this, you are going to get the end formula for mode 2 for two-stage network. It is A plus 1 minus A multiplied by B to the power of G, where G is number of the secondary switches. And for the last stage, that is mode 3, it is a concentrator. So where concentrator depend on the total network of a first stage or second stage. It depend on First-Erlang distribution equation. So it is represented with E 1.n of traffic A. So because you need to find, so for any outgoing route is free or busy means you need to extend the network. For that purpose, grade of service for mode 3 is B3 is equal to E 1.n into A. A is a total traffic. Then we have simple problem given here. Total traffic is given for two-stage network. For outgoing lines are also given. But here, as it is two-stage network, it has evenly distributed traffic, means inlets and outlets are equal. For that purpose, n is equal to 10. And the links are also equal because inlets and outlets are equal. And total traffic is given, A is equal to 30 L long. How to find number of links? That means trunks, means n is equal to n into n. It is 100 link. As I told, incoming trunk is equal to outgoing trunk, means it is 100. What is the switch size? Means it is n cross g. So n is 10, g is 10, it is 10 cross 10. So here you need to find the grade of service of a two-stage network. So grade of service is usually found for the mode 2, wherever you have 1 minus a into 1 minus b to the power of g. You need to find a and b occupancies values. How to find a and b? Means it is traffic divided by number of trunks. 30 divided by 100, it is 0.3 air long. If you substitute it, you are going to get grade of service 0.0012. For the same network, if grade of service should not exceed 0.01, how to find the capital letter A? We will consider the same form. So here it is to the power of n. So let us consider. So n is equal to 10 because already n is given. A and b are equal, means we will rewrite the formula 1 minus a, and this is also 1 minus a. Now your formula becomes 1 minus a square to the power of 10. And in the problem, already it is given grade of service should be less than or equal to 0.01. That means on a left hand side you have this value, on a right hand side a is unknown value. So you can just simplify this. You are going to get a, it is less than or equal to 0.39. But you need to find traffic capacity, it is capital letter A. How to find A? Means it is occupancy of the network multiplied by any value. It may be number of link, it may be outgoing link, or it may be even trunks also. So we know incoming trunks, so we'll just multiply with A, 0.39 multiplied by 100. You are going to get the traffic capacity less than 39.25. Then for the three-stage network, so already we have two three-stage network, fully connected, partially connected. So if the stages increases, means you are going to get the another switch, that is tertiary switch, and the occupancies also increases. For A links, because between these two you have A links, between these two you have B links, the occupancies between this is A, occupancy of B link is B, and what may be the occupancy of if this outgoing trunk, means it is C. Again for the mode 1, same formula holds good here. The probability of both links are free, means it is product of both. Probability of both block, means it is 1 minus this value. So first thing is G2 is secondary switch, because this is considered as completely two-stage network. What is the formula for two-stage network? Means you are writing for B1, that is grade of service of this, 1 minus a, 1 minus b to the power of G2. What is G2 here? The secondary switch. So if you solve it, you are going to get this form. Then similarly, so to write it for mode 2, you need to consider outgoing link. So what is the occupancy of outgoing link? Means or outgoing trunk, means it is a C. So we'll use the same probability 1 minus B1. So what is this B1? Means first two-stage grade of service, and this is occupancy of the last stage, that is due to tertiary switches. So you are going to get reduced form, that is B1 plus 1 minus B1 to multiplied by C. What is the grade of service for mode 2 for three-stage network? Means it is same thing. So here the power is G3. What is G3 here? Means G3 is nothing but the number of tertiary switches. Then so the same thing could be written for a partially interconnected network. So if you are going to connect one switch to this and another one to switch to this network, the number of links increases. It may be n link, it may be any link which increases. Then the probability remains same. Only the thing changes is directly we are going to write it for mode 2. It is 1 minus 1 minus a, 1 minus b, 1 minus c to the power of n, because there is no restriction for the primary, tertiary switches or secondary switches. For that purpose it is to the power of n. Then for a 4-stage network, the first 3 remain same. A link's occupancy is A, and occupancy of B is B, occupancy of C is C, and we left with the last, that is 4th stage, occupancy of outgoing trunk is D. So here we have a connection A link, B link and C link. So from first one to any primary switch, this is one primary switch, this is secondary switch, so every link should be connected here. So primary to secondary, again from this to this, again from this to this. That is for mode 1, any primary switch may be connected to any secondary switch. For that purpose, the probability of path being free is, so here you need to consider the first 3. So you need to exclude the last one, that is outgoing route. 1 minus a, 1 minus b, 1 minus c, blocked is same, subtraction of this. Then the mode of service, so that is B1. So here you are writing for mode 1, same thing, write all the blocking probability to the power of G2, that is secondary switch. And here, so you need to consider outgoing occupancies for this one also. So where the input frame is equal to number of primary switches of output frame also. For that purpose, so here we won't be going for the next stage. So for a route of n outgoing trunks, if you have n links, then what is probability of this one means 1 minus the grade of service of mode 1, then 1 minus d, it is the occupancy of your outgoing route. If you solve this, it is b1 plus 1 minus b1 multiplied by d, and here the power is n, because so you are going to get n number of connections where n is independent of path. It may be any tertiary switches or any secondary switches, whatever it may be. For that purpose it is to the power of n. So you can observe the formula now. So let us just go back. So here it is to the power of G3, where G3 is the tertiary switch for the 3rd stage. And for this stage, so for mode 2 it is to the power of G. So the formula will be same, the occupancies will go on changing. So this is written for the 2-stage network, and this is written for the 3-stage network, where it is to the power of G3, that means tertiary switches. And for the 4th stage it is written as to the power of n. There is no restriction for the number of switches, so where you are going to connect. So this is the last part of a module 3. Thank you.